Hi there, thank you for joining Tech Talk with Ontario Motor Sales. Today we are going to walk you through how to set up your iPhone with Apple CarPlay using both USB connection, which is the current standard in most new 2020 and 2021 vehicles, as well as the new wireless integration, which is starting to roll out this year with the 2021 Trailblazer. Let's get started. To connect your phone via USB, you will need a USB to Lightning cable. We recommend using a certified Apple cord for the best results, but any brand will do. Once you have your cable, it's important to make sure that you have all the correct settings ready to go on your iPhone before you plug it into the car. Go into your phone's settings app and scroll down to the Siri and search option. Click this and ensure that Siri is activated and that the Allow Siri when locked option is turned on. Next, go back to the main settings page and head to the Notifications tab. Scroll down to Phone and ensure all notifications are turned on, especially those on the lock screen. Do the same with the Messages app. Once your settings are adjusted, plug your phone into the USB slot in the Entertainment Center. Once you connect, a notification should come up on the vehicle screen. Click Continue to proceed. The vehicle will scan your phone for information including your music, apps, and messages, and in a few seconds your content will appear on the vehicle screen. Next, we're going to show you how to connect your phone to Apple CarPlay using Bluetooth. Remember that as of March 2021, only a few vehicles are equipped with this feature, such as the 2021 Chevy Trailblazer that we are in today. To connect your phone, first ensure that your Bluetooth is turned on your device. Next, tap the Apple CarPlay icon on your car's screen. Tap Connect a Phone and then select Adding New Phone. A code will pop up on the car's screen as well as on your iPhone. To continue, tap Pair on your iPhone's screen and then Pair on your car's screen. Once connected, you'll be prompted to tap the green Continue button on your car's screen and then all of your content should appear. After you've connected, you'll be able to listen to your music on various different compatible apps like Apple Music or Spotify, check your texts, make and receive phone calls, and use all the navigation features that you love on your iPhone. All of these features work for both USB and Bluetooth connection and can be accessed either through the car's touchscreen or by voice by pushing the voice button located on your steering wheel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and follow us on social media for more automotive tech tips and tricks from Ontario Motor Sales.